Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we are going to draw animals from numbers. Start with number 1. Let's draw a giraffe. Always start with the head, then the body. Continue with the details after. Fill in with any color you like. Your creativity only limited by your imagination. Step up to number 2. Let's make a snake. Begin with the head and the body. Continue with the eyes, then the body details. Fill in with any color you like. And the snake is done. Time to wrap it up to number 3. It's already like a butterfly wing. So let's make a butterfly. Make another mirrored number 3, and give it a space for the body. Continue with a long ellipse. Then finish it with the details. Fill in with any color you like. And voila! Your butterfly is done. Let's continue with number 4. Let's create a chicken head for number 4. Start making the head. Add the eyes. Finish it with the details. Fill in with any color you like. And winner chicken dinner. Number 5. I want to create an alligator snapping turtle with this one. So, let's create the head first. Continue with the spiky shell. Then finish it with the legs and belly. Fill in with any color you like. Always remember, your creativity only limited by your imagination. Continue with number 6. Let's make a snail. Oh, it's already looked like a shell. Make another circle to finish the shell. Continue with the body. Then finish it with any color you like. I get inspired by Gary from the SpongeBob SquarePants universe. Now your snail is done. Keep it up, we almost get there. Let's continue with number 7. I want to create a standing crocodile with this basic line. First, add the eyes above, and continue with the face and belly. Finish it with the details, like teeth, hands, feet, and tail. Fill in with any color you like. And the crocodile is done. Number 8. It's already looked like a head and belly. We can create a bear with this shape. Start fill in the circle above for the face. Then make the ears, hands, and feet. It's the easiest animal to create. Fill in with any color you like. Last but not least, number 9. Let's draw a cat from this one. We use the circle above for making the face. Then continue with the body. Last part is the tail. It's a cat walking from front view. Fill in with any color you like. And that's all the animals for this episode. You can always create another animal. These are just an example of my imagination. Thank you all for watching and learning. And see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.